In this video, you will learn how to make this attractive jelly cube. So, let's get started. First of all, add whatever you like. I'll add a cube. Then press G and grab it. Then press R and rotate it. Then add a plane and scale it. Select your plane and go to Physics and select Collision. Now select your cube and go to Edit Mode. Right-click on the cube and put the subdivision on whatever you like. I'll put it on 4. The more you put it, the more pressure will be put on your PC. OK. Now go back to Object Mode. Select the cube and go to Physics and select Soft Body. If you play, you will see that the cube is released in the air. Just uncheck the goal and go to Edges section. Now play. The cube is not in the air, but it is destroyed in the ground. Let's fix it. Put the bending on 10. Now let's play. It's great! Now just play with bending to find your best result. I think 5.6 is fine. Cool. As you can see, the surface of the cube is not very smooth. Just go to Modifiers and select Subdivision Surface. Put the levels on 2. Now right-click on your cube and shade Smooth. And play. Cool. Now let's give it some material and make a nice jelly cube. Go to Render View. It's too dark. So, let's add an area light. Now select the cube and go to Material. Select your base color. Put the roughness on 0. Go to Transmission and put the weight on 1. Now go to Render and put the engine on cycles and device on GPU. I think if you put the transmission on something like close to 1 is better. Yes. Great. Now play. This is fantastic. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Until the next video, goodbye.